Okay, today we will discuss about cycloid. Okay, today we will discuss about cycloid of a circle. Okay, cycloid of a circle. Okay, what is mean by cycloid means this is a circle. Okay, this is a circle, the base point P. Okay, this is base point P. Okay, when the circle starts rolling, okay, when the circle starts rolling, observe carefully, the base point P has been moved to one place to another place. Okay, one place to another place like this. Okay, the circle has been moved without slipping. Okay, based on a baseline without slipping. Okay, the circle moves like this. The point base point P rotates like this. Okay, rotates like this. Okay, this moving curve. Okay, this moving curve called as a cycloid of a circle with a reference point. Okay, cycloid of a circle with reference point. Okay, we will discuss about how to construct a cycloid of a circle. Okay, how to construct cycloid of a 50 mm dia of a circle. Okay, a circle has 50 mm dia, moving without slipping. Okay, moving without slipping with its baseline. Draw its cycloid. Okay, draw its cycloid. Okay, this is 50 mm dia of circle. Okay, 50 mm dia of circle. Okay, in circle we have at any place we have curve shape. Okay, at any place we curve place. For reference point we have to divide 8 parts. Okay, we have to divide 8 or 12 parts. Okay, I am dividing 8 parts. Okay, this is 90 degrees, 90 degrees. Okay, I'm dividing 8 parts. Okay, I'm dividing 8 parts. Okay, 45, 45. Okay, this is 8 parts of circle. The point P is, the base point P is, this is P, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. This is base point P. Okay, either you remain numbering 1, 2, 3, 4 also. Okay, I am numbering, this is P, this is base point P. Okay, circle circumference is 2 pi r. Okay, circle circumference is 2 pi r. Phi is 3.142, r is 25. Okay, 50 mm dia means d is 50, that means r is 25. Okay, you have to calculate 2 pi r. 2 pi r means circumference of the circle. Okay, circumference of the circle. Okay, circle circumference formula is 2 pi r, that means 2 into 3.142 into 25. 25 means the radius of the circle. Okay, here we have 157 mm, 157.1. Okay, from point P draw the line 157. Okay, up to 157.1. Okay, this is 157.1, this is 2 pi r. Okay, this is 2 pi r, that means circumference of the circle. Okay, circumference of the circle. Okay, the next, this is 1 and 7. Okay, 2 and 6, 3 and 5, 4. Okay, draw the parallel line to this baseline. Okay, draw the parallel line to this baseline. Okay, okay, draw the 2 and 6, 1 and 7. Okay, okay, after dividing we have 3 and 5 parallel line, 4 line, and the next 2 and 6, this is O center, and the next this is 1 and 7, and finally this is our point P, that means moving point. Okay, that means moving point. Okay, and the next we have dividing 8 parts. Okay, we have dividing 8 parts of this circle. We have to divide this circumference into 8 parts. Okay, we have to divide circumference into 8 parts, that means draw a angular line. Okay, draw a angular line with your compass. Okay, with your compass mark 8 lines. Okay, 2. Okay, for dividing 8 parts, divide its equal 8 parts. Okay, divide it any distance. Okay, with any distance divide this line 8 equal parts. Okay, and the next from end corner to this end. Okay, from end corner to this end, draw line. Okay, draw line, same parallel to this, draw lines. Okay, okay, we are dividing 8 equal parts. 1 dash, this is P dash, 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash, 6 dash and 7 dash. Okay, the next, draw perpendicular lines to this point. Okay, draw perpendicular lines. Okay, draw perpendicular lines to this point. Okay, draw perpendicular lines. Okay, okay, here we have perpendicular lines. This is center point, this intersection point from center line, this is C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, C6, C7, C8. Okay, we have 8 equal parts. This C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, C6, C7, C8. Okay, the next, the dia is 25 mm. Okay, measure the dia. Okay, measure this dia. Okay, the next, from C1, this is C1 cutting point on the center line. Okay, this is one passing line. Okay, this is one passing line through the circle is moving. Okay, this is one line, this is C1. Okay, C1 as the center, cut this one line. Okay, C1 as the center, cut this one moving line. This is 1 to 7 moving line. Next, C2 as the center, this is 2, 6 moving line, this is 2 moving line. Okay, the next, cut second line. Okay, next, C3 as the center, this is 3 and 5 moving line, this is 3 line. Okay, cut, make an arc on this line. Next, C4 as the center, this is 4 moving line, cut, make an arc. This is only touches this line. Okay, why? Because this is only radius line. Okay, on the radius line. Next, C5 as the center, this is C5 line, make an arc on this line. Okay, make an arc on this line. Okay, next, C6 as the center, next, C6 as center, this is 2, 6 line. Okay, make arc on this line. Okay, the next, finally, last 7. Okay, this is 7 line, C7 as the center. Okay, C7 as the center, just make an line on 1 7 line. Okay, this is 7 line passing through this line. Okay, 7 passing through this line. Okay, the next, C8 as the center, direct make an arc at end. Okay, next, okay, after completion of arc from point P, draw the curves of intersection points. Okay, draw the curve from intersection points. Okay, draw the curve from intersection points. Okay, draw the curve from intersection point, you will get an arc like this. Okay, this is called as cycloid. Okay, this is called as cycloid of a curve. Okay, listen carefully. First we have to divide, first we have to draw 2 pi r line. 2 pi r means circumference line. Okay, first we have to draw circumference line, then we have to divide 8 equal parts. If we have to divide 8 equal parts, we have to divide this line to 8. If we are dividing 12 equal parts, we have to divide this 12. Okay, I am dividing 8 and here we have 8. Okay, I am dividing 8 equal parts. Okay, next, from C1, this is 1 7 passing line, this is 2 6 passing line, this is 3 5 passing line, and finally this is 4 passing line, this is P passing line. Okay, next, the perpendicular lines, 8 dividing lines, this is 1 C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, C6, C7 up to C8. Okay, from C1, mark, make an arc on 1 passing line. From C2, make an arc on 2 passing line. From C3, make an arc on C3 passing line. Okay, repeat all this until you get end point. Okay, until you get end this, and join the intersection point, the curve and these lines. Okay, join the intersection points of curve and these lines, you will get cyclide. Okay, you will get cyclide. This is cyclide. Okay, thank you.